Hey guys, my name is Shreyas and welcome to Simple Chemistry. In this video we're going to be looking at the metric system. The metric system is the system that scientists use to measure things, and it's very important that you know how the metric system works. So in the metric system we have things called standards to measure these things right here. So let's talk about all these standards. So the first standard is mass. Mass describes how much matter a substance has. In chemistry, when you talk about mass, we use grams. However, the actual unit for science is kilograms, which is 1,000 grams. So if a question on a quiz ever asked you, what's the standard unit for the metric system for mass, you'd say kilograms. However, in chemistry, you're going to be using grams typically, not kilograms. Okay, and kilograms, the abbreviation is kg, and the abbreviation for grams is just G. Volume is how much space an object takes up, and that's measured in liters, and the abbreviation is a capital L. Time, you know what time is measured in seconds typically, with the way we indicate that, the abbreviation is a little s. Length, the standard unit is meters, the abbreviation is a little m. Temperature can be measured in two ways, in Kelvin or in Celsius, and we're going to be diving into this a little bit more deeply in the next video. But for now, whenever we're talking about the absolute temperature of an object, we measure it in Kelvin, and the units for Kelvin are, the abbreviation, sorry, is capital K, and for Celsius, it's degrees, and then capital C. And for finally, the last standard is the number of particles. And the number of particles typically just talks about the number of atoms within a quantity of substance, and the unit we use for that is the mole, and we abbreviate that MOL. Okay, now from these standards, scientists start to combine them to get more units. Okay, for example, speed. So speed is the amount of distance you travel within a certain amount of time. So what scientists would do is they take the amount of distance you travel, meters, and the amount of time, within amount of time, seconds, and the units for speed is meters per second. So the way you write that is meters divided by m divided by s, okay? And like that, there's many different ways of combining these standards in order to get any unit you want. For example, energy is measured in joules. Joules are actually kilograms times meters squared divided by seconds squared. So it gets more complex, but everything, all the units that you need in science are based off these standards, and you combine them mathematically to get other units. Okay, that's all you have to know about the metric system. It's as simple as that.